Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how we can see private account photos on Instagram. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So what you're going to be doing over here is simply going to go ahead and open up your Instagram right over here. And let me go ahead and go through the home section to guide you through the steps. So make sure to watch the video till the end, and here we go. Once you're in the home screen, this is how it's gonna appear. So let's say you would like to check out a private account. You're gonna go ahead and go to search bar, search them up, and this is how the private account is gonna appear. This particular user has privated their account, so now the only way I will be able to access their photo is by tapping on the follow and making sure that they accept my request. Now if you want to be anonymous and see them photos, then you can simply go ahead, go to your profile, tap on drop down icon and log in with another account, a dummy account, which you can simply go ahead and send them a request with. So when they accept a request, it will still be anonymous and can access everything on their profile, including their picture, videos, and etc. That is the way you can do it. So hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.